Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This is the best 1A, and today we're going to mount these tires on. Alright, YouTube, we are rolling. So now we just gotta loosen this nut. I'm not gonna take it off fully and jack the bike up. Actually, still gotta put it in gear. It was in neutral, so I'm gonna jack it up and go from there. So just broke it loose a little bit. Alright, she's in gear. $6,800 miles. Pads look good, which is nice. And there we go. I'll just screw that back in, and we have that front tire off. Not a heavy front tire either. Alright, YouTube, so this probably looks familiar if you watched any of my blast videos. I actually have the rim over here, wood blocks underneath, 2x4s underneath the rim, also underneath here, underneath the rim, which what it does is it gives you about that much space for the rotor, so the rotor is not touching the ground when you're trying to break the bead and do other things like that. I have a few things I actually ordered. You probably remember the 2 spoons I had from last time. Actually, I think I had 3 if I'm not mistaken, or was it 2? No, but anyway, I have my spoons. These are the Motion Pro spoons, which they're pretty good, no complaints. Then I also ordered these drop forged spoons. It's actually 3 of them in here. Package is already ripped, so I'll just go ahead and take them out. It's three different lengths. You have a short one, you have a long one, and then you have this one that's up this size. No big deal. So just some extra items to help with getting the tire off. Some extra rim protectors, along with the 2 Motion Pro rim protectors that I have here. Alright, now I just gotta let the air out. Let me remove this inner valve, which is the rubber valve. As you can see there. You probably can't, but you see it now. That rubber valve right there. We're gonna have to remove that. And that may be interesting, but we're gonna give that a try. Anyway, let me let the air out. Well, I got part of it. Still gotta do the other side. There you go. That's broken. Now, I saw it for this side, but not that side, but even still. Well, I finally got it out. Wasn't easy though. Had to wedge those fork spoons in there and finally get it to slide out. Pain in the buttocks. All right, get the other tire and we'll get that one on. The front tire, I should say. Actually, I gotta put the valve stem in. Okay, so we got the motor D's installed. Give you a little better look at that. Let me just change this. Okay, we had the motor D's installed here. Put them in. As you can see, that's it there. It's supposed to be continuously focusing, but it's not, as you can see. So that's it, and it's in. Now, to put the tire on. Now, alright, so we had our rotation as this way. So put the tire. And I already thought of it. I put the motor D base on where I would be usually putting air into the car, the bike, sorry, which is on the brake side, which is the right hand side, brake side. So the rear one's going to be pretty much the same thing. Doing this on this bike is a lot. It's not as easy as when I did it on the Buell. The Buell is definitely a lot easier. It could be it's not as warm also, so that could very well have something to do with it. Alright, so we got it started. I already poured the beads in there, which look pretty much like these. Like these here. And once again, why is that autofocus not flipping working? Basically it looks like those ammo beads. Not the beads that you probably saw in a last video, if I even posted what they look like. I don't even know if I did. I don't remember, because that was so long ago. Maybe I did post what they look like, but oh, you can hear the beads in there. Alright. Yep, and there we go. have to use a tie strap method, I will. I don't really like it, but just help get that bead set. Bead in here, sets off. Should be tighter, but all right. Didn't tighten down too much, just enough to set that bead. All right, so much easier to check your pressure. All you gotta do is boom. I only had 24 in there, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Look how much easier it is to get to your valves. Just one shot, boom, like this, and then you're right at it. No problems at all. That's so much easier. Add some more air in there. All right, here we go. Alrighty, so now we're ready to throw the wheel back on here. We'll try to make it work. Try to get her done. Alright, well, and that's the front for now. We'll start recording again when I do the rear.